In a world saturated with college graduates, where the cap and gown have become almost ubiquitous symbols of achievement, many find themselves questioning the true value of a traditional education. The rising costs of tuition, coupled with the uncertain job market, leave students and parents alike pondering if the investment is truly worth it. Michael Ellsberg, in his insightful book, The Education of Millionaires, challenges the conventional wisdom that a college degree is the sole path to success. He delves into the stories of those who have defied the norm, offering a fresh perspective on what it means to be educated. He argues that while formal education has its place, it's often the practical, real-world skills learned outside the classroom that truly set individuals apart in today's competitive landscape. These skills, such as networking, sales, and self-promotion, are rarely taught in traditional academic settings. Ellsberg compels us to reconsider what it means to be educated for success in the 21st century, urging a shift in focus from academic accolades to the cultivation of an entrepreneurial mindset and a diverse skill set. He emphasizes the importance of adaptability and continuous learning in an ever-changing world, urging a shift in focus from academic accolades to the cultivation of an entrepreneurial mindset and a diverse skill set. He highlights the value of hands-on experiences and real-world problem-solving, which often provide more practical knowledge than traditional classroom settings. He introduces us to a new breed of successful individuals, self-made millionaires and entrepreneurs who have bypassed the traditional route to achieve extraordinary results. These individuals have harnessed their unique talents and passions to carve out their own paths. These individuals, often college dropouts or those who chose unconventional career paths, are united by their unwavering belief in their own potential and their willingness to embrace risk. They have demonstrated that success is not confined to the walls of a university, are united by their unwavering belief in their own potential and their willingness to embrace risk. They understand that failure is often a stepping stone to success, and that resilience and perseverance are key components of their journey. They understand that true education extends far beyond textbooks and classrooms, encompassing real-world experiences, personal development, and the relentless pursuit of one's passions. They seek knowledge from a variety of sources, including mentors, online courses, and hands-on projects. Encompassing real-world experiences, personal development, and the relentless pursuit of one's passions. They are constantly learning and evolving, driven by curiosity and a desire to make a meaningful impact. Ellsberg's book serves as a refreshing wake-up call, encouraging readers to question the status quo and forge their own unique paths to success. It inspires individuals to take control of their own education and to seek out opportunities that align with their personal goals and values, encouraging readers to question the status quo and forge their own unique paths to success. By embracing a more holistic approach to education, we can redefine what it means to be truly successful in the modern world. In today's digital age, a college degree and a traditional resume are no longer enough to stand out in a crowded job market. The landscape has shifted dramatically, and now, more than ever, individuals need to find innovative ways to differentiate themselves from the competition. Ellsberg emphasizes the crucial role of personal branding in establishing credibility and attracting opportunities. He believes that personal branding is not just a buzzword, but a fundamental aspect of professional success in the modern world. He argues that your online presence is your new resume, and cultivating a strong personal brand is essential for success in any field. This means that every post, every interaction, and every piece of content you share online contributes to the image you project to potential employers, clients, and collaborators. This involves showcasing your unique skills, experiences, and values across various online platforms, establishing yourself as an expert in your chosen domain. It's about creating a cohesive and authentic narrative that highlights what makes you stand out. Ellsberg provides practical advice on building a powerful personal brand, emphasizing the importance of crafting a compelling online narrative that resonates with your target audience. He suggests starting with a clear understanding of your personal and professional goals. This includes creating a professional website or portfolio that showcases your work, achievements, and testimonials from clients or colleagues. A well-designed website can serve as a central hub for all your online activities. Actively engaging on social media platforms is also crucial. This means not just posting content, but interacting with others, joining relevant conversations, and building a network of like-minded professionals. Consistently sharing valuable content that demonstrates your expertise is another key element. Whether it's through blog posts, podcasts, videos, or social media updates, providing insights and knowledge helps establish you as a thought leader in your field. By leveraging the power of the internet, individuals can take control of their narrative, build a loyal following, and attract opportunities that align with their passions and goals. The digital age offers unprecedented opportunities for personal branding, and those who master it can achieve remarkable success. Ellsberg challenges the conventional notion of playing it safe, urging us to reconsider the comfort of the familiar. He argues that true fulfillment and success often lie beyond the comfort zone, where the unknown holds the potential for remarkable achievements. He encourages readers to embrace risk-taking as an essential ingredient for personal and professional growth, suggesting that the path to greatness is paved with calculated risks. Ellsberg shares inspiring anecdotes of successful individuals who defied societal expectations and took calculated risks to pursue their dreams. These stories highlight the courage and determination required to step into the unknown. These stories serve as powerful reminders that stepping outside of one's comfort zone, while daunting, is often the catalyst for unlocking hidden potential and achieving extraordinary results. The triumphs of these individuals illustrate the rewards that come with embracing uncertainty. He emphasizes that risk doesn't necessarily equate to recklessness. Instead, it involves a thoughtful approach to decision-making. Ellsberg advocates for calculated risk-taking, where individuals thoroughly assess potential outcomes, develop contingency plans, and approach challenges with a combination of courage and strategic thinking. This methodical approach ensures that risks are managed effectively. Ellsberg reminds us that the greatest regret often lies not in our failures, but in the opportunities we miss because of fear. He encourages us to reflect on the moments we hesitated and the chances we didn't take. By embracing risk as an opportunity for growth, individuals can break free from limiting beliefs and unlock their full potential. This mindset shift can lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful life, where the pursuit of dreams becomes a reality. Marketing, the universal language of success. Ellsberg debunks the misconception that marketing is solely for those in sales or advertising, asserting that marketing skills are essential for success in any field or industry. He posits that effective communication, persuasion, and the ability to connect with an audience are fundamental skills applicable to all aspects of life, from personal relationships to career advancement. Ellsberg argues that individuals who master the art of marketing can effectively articulate their value proposition, build strong relationships, and ultimately achieve greater success in their chosen endeavors. He provides actionable advice on developing essential marketing skills, emphasizing the importance of understanding your target audience, crafting compelling messages, and leveraging various communication channels to reach your desired audience. Ellsberg encourages readers to view marketing not as a manipulative tactic, but as a powerful tool for building genuine connections and sharing your unique gifts with the world. The entrepreneurial spirit. Thinking differently. Achieving greatness. Ellsberg highlights the importance of cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset, regardless of one's chosen profession or career path. He argues that the principles of entrepreneurship, creativity, innovation, problem-solving, and a relentless pursuit of opportunity are universally applicable and essential for achieving success in any field. Ellsberg encourages readers to adopt an entrepreneurial approach to their work and lives, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth and viewing setbacks as valuable learning experiences. He provides practical strategies for developing an entrepreneurial mindset, emphasizing the importance of identifying problems, brainstorming creative solutions, and taking ownership of one's work. Ellsberg stresses the value of continuous learning, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace change as essential traits for thriving in today's rapidly evolving world. By adopting an entrepreneurial spirit, individuals can unlock their full potential and achieve extraordinary results, regardless of their chosen path or profession.